Today discuss BA third year paper second novel. First question today discuss Pride and Prejudice and written by Jane Austen. First question. Love and marriage is the theme of Pride and Prejudice. Our theme Pride and Prejudice are love and marriage theme of Pride and Prejudice are the same answer. And introduction, you looking though marriage in the end of Jane Austen's novel. It involves more than the conclusion of a simple love story. There is a depth, variety, and seriousness in Jane's treatment of these topics. Marriage was an important social concern in Jane. Advantages, time, and security. Marriage was an important social concern in Jane Austen's time, and she was fully aware of the disadvantages of remaining single. In a letter to her niece Fanny Knight, she wrote inverted comma and quotation single women have a dreadful propensity for being poor, which is a very strong argument in favor of matrimony. The second paragraph, the theme of love and marriage is one of the major themes in Pride and Prejudice. Though five marriages, Jane Austen defines good and bad reasons for marriage, Charlotte Collins, Lydia Wickham, and Jane Bingley and Elizabeth Darcy are the four newlyweds. The old marriage is that of Mr. and Mrs. Bennet. The novels of Jane Austen, especially Pride and Prejudice, dramatize the economic inequality of women, showing how women had to marry undesirable mates in order to gain some financial security. Next paragraph, Mrs. and Mr. Bennet are poles apart in their natural attitude. Mr. Bennet is sharp and witty, Mrs. Bennet is irregular and discreet. Together they constitute a very ill matched couple. And quotation uh, her father, captivated by youth and beauty, had married a woman whose weak understanding and liberal mind had very early in their marriage put an end to all real affection for her. Next paragraph, Mr. Bennet married for beauty. Soon he realized that Mr. Bennet, due to her intellectual bankruptcy and narrow vision, would not make him an ideal wife. Full stop. And Mrs. Bennet says she was a woman of mean understanding, little information, and uncertain temper. Next paragraph. Mr. and Mrs. Bennet never enjoyed the material bliss of emotional and intellectual understanding. The gulf of between them had widened. Mr. Bennet becomes lazy and responsible and an old mixer of idealistic reason. He unfolds she is a flesh and hypocritical woman, and I have no opinion of her. And next, Charlotte and Collins are the first to get married. Collins, after having a very good house and very sufficient income, intends to marry. He visits the Bennet to choose a wife among the Bennet girls. See, he sets out in, in details his reasons for marriage. First, it a right thing for every clergyman in easy circumstances to set the examples of matrimony in his parish. Next, Mr. Collins does not have any respect and affection for the girl he intends to marry, so Elizabeth declines the proposal. Collins shifts contentedly to Charlotte, who is herself eager to accept his proposal. Mr. Collins was neither sensible nor agreeable, but still he would be her husband. And अब इसे कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, obviously Charlotte also does not think of love. She expects Mr. Collins under economic pressure, knowing that she is going to marry, and as Elizabeth is shocked at Charlotte's engagement, and Charlotte defends herself by saying, I am not romantic, you know, I never was. I ask only a comfortable home. Next paragraph, and the next to be married are Wickham and Lydia. They elope before they get married, and compatibility and understanding are once again absent. Lydia is captivated by the external glamour of Wickham personality. She thinks she is in love with him, but she is only infatuated. There were always moving from place to place in quest of a cheap situation, and always spending more than they ought. His affection for her soon sunk into indifference. Her latest lasted a little younger. Next paragraph, Jane and Bingley are sincerely in love with each other. And next paragraph, Elizabeth marries lost and most desirable. And next paragraph, all other characters believe Darcy to be a prize. And next paragraph, Elizabeth has to assure that she loves and respects Darcy. And next paragraph, Elizabeth and Darcy begin with prejudice. And next paragraph and last paragraph, conclusion. Thus, it is true that in the chief preoccupation of Jane Austen's heroines is getting married, and life is a matrimonial game, as women in her times had no other option of business or profession open to him, and he will rather it and last, love, good sense and respect and complete of the first answer in your topic. And next topic, the relationship between Bingley and Jane Bennet in Pride and Prejudice. So first thing, introduction. Jane and Bingley are sincerely in love with each other. Between them exists a great emotional compatibility by nature. Both are sweet and gentle free from malice, ill will, affection, and duplicity, calm, unsuspecting, simple, and willing to forgive readily. There is every likelihood that they will lead a happy married life. And next paragraph, still their marriage is timidly weak. Okay, and next paragraph, a beautiful of the Bennet sisters. And next paragraph, Mr. Banners. And next paragraph, the greatly pleases Mr. Bennet. And next paragraph, a marriage between Jane and Bingley would likely. And next paragraph, though advantageous to the Bennet family. And next paragraph, Jane's lack of fortune and connections are not all that. And next, regardless of Jane's lack of fortune, Ernest Austin challenged societal norms and expectations. Okay, complete of the topic as the answer. Ernest write a brief note on Pride and Prejudice as a domestic novel. And first paragraph you focus that, and next paragraph briefly these narratives centered. And next paragraph, Pride and Prejudice does not meet. And next paragraph, a novel of manners has the following characters. And next paragraph, though marriage is the end of Jane Austen novel. In the domestic novel, love marriage had are important features in Pride and Prejudice, and though five marriages, Jane Austen defines good and bad reasons for marriage. Ernest, Mr. and Mrs. Bennet never enjoyed the material bliss of emotional. And last lines, Charlotte defends herself by saying, and last lines, Elizabeth our paragraph and Darcy begin with prejudice and gradually move towards understanding. And next paragraph, it is possible to map the characteristics of domestic novel onto the structure of Pride and Prejudice. The entailment of Longbourn presents a knowledge about herself and, and conclude of the lines. It is possible the map of the characteristics of domestic novels. Okay, and next question, what is the role of Become as played in Pride and Prejudice? George Become as the first introduction and second as the middle part, a mirror of a mirror character, and next part Become Lydia both are married, and next topic, a seemingly perfect gentleman from a poor family. Next, and last, on the whole conclusion, he is a layer. And next question, Jane Austen not complete, and then close of the answer. Jane Austen complete answer. You next notes provide you. Okay, and thanks for watching. And any question, doubts, may ask in the comment box.